Welcome to our unboxing and review of Sherpa comforter set from LLanCL. Hello my beautiful subscriber, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you, I just recently moved like 2 days ago and I have only king size mattress, one twin comforter set and one lamp. I'm still waiting for the rest of the furniture to deliver. Now the comforter I'm using right now, I just bought like 3 months ago, but you can see the length on that. It feels like it's been 3 years I've been using it or more. Not happy about it. So I guess it's time to upgrade. So today I got a chance to review this comforter set, so let's see what's inside the box. Just look at this. The Sherpa material feels incredible, soft, plush to touch. It's just like wrapping yourself in the cloud. Overall, I like it. And I like the color. By the way, it's come in 3 colors: dark gray, rose pink, and cream. And I choose the cream. And let's not forget about the matching Plush arms. They made from the same luxurious Sherpa material and touch of elegance to any pillow arrangement. It's a king size set, so it's come with the 2 sets of pillowcase. Now let's talk about the quality. The stitching is perfect. The plush area is so perfect. Look at this. The best thing is there is no lint, and it's reversible. And I checked the both sides. There is no lint, no thread. Amazing quality. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Sherpa comforter set. It's not just stylish, it's very comfortable. It's a perfect gift idea for your loved ones, especially the Mother's Day is coming up. So I guess that's the perfect gift for mother or mother-in-law. The purchase link in the description. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing and reviewing. Until next time, stay cozy